There are different ways that you can actually embed a YouTube video in Blackboard. The great thing is that Blackboard and YouTube are matched up together. That means they interface together. So I'm going to show you first my preferred way, the fastest way. So you really can just go to any tab in Blackboard. Preferably you're going to name it, like videos. So I'll just go to the Freshman Academy videos. That's where you are. Just go ahead and click on that tab. And like I said, we're actually on that page. And just simply click Build Content. Now there are a couple things you can do. You can either click Item or YouTube Video, but believe it or not, Item is sometimes faster. I'm going to show you this way first. So click on Item, name it, so name your item, and go ahead and click your icon exactly where you want your video to load. Okay? Now, the first thing you want to do is go to YouTube and make sure that you already have that video pulled up. So I've already done that. So here's the video that I want to load in my class. And all I really need is to get the URL address. I'm going to increase our screen here a little bit, see if you can see it. There we go. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to grab this YouTube address, copy it. I'm hitting Control-C on my keypad, highlight it, hit Control, hold down the Control button, and C, the letter C, tap it, and I'm going to copy that YouTube address. And then I'm going to go back to YouTube. And right here, you're going to see an Insert Edit Multimedia button. All I have to do is click this button. Leave it at Flash. And then I'm going to hit Control-V, hold down the Control key and the letter V. And see how quickly it popped into YouTube? And then hit Insert. I happen to like this approach a lot better. I'm going to show you again in a second way you can do it. You can also stretch this out. As you can see, I can manipulate the size of the video on the page. You don't see it right now. It always appears in yellow while we're in edit mode. And then I'm going to hit Submit. And once I hit Submit, you're going to see that you're going to see the video on my YouTube page. So I'm going to scroll down. It'll always pop down at the bottom of the page. There it is. You can drag it up by moving the chevron up. And just bring it all the way up, wherever you would like to place it. But I just happen to find this particular approach to getting the YouTube video. It's just a couple clicks and it's there. So again, to review, you go to YouTube, you find the video that you want, you copy the link, you go back to Blackboard, you hit Build Content, Item, you name the item, you click on the actual page where you want to place it in the placement, you click on the Embed Media icon here, set it to Flash, paste in your code, hit Insert over here, it comes in and hit Submit. Scroll down your page to find it, and there you go. So that is a very easy step. The second way that you can get a video, always still have the YouTube video available. Get that link first. That always speeds you up. Go ahead and click Build Content. Again, this is the second way. Go to YouTube Video, which is the mashup. Sometimes Blackboard has trouble with this mashup. That's why I don't really like to use it that often. But if it's working for you, click on YouTube Video. And it'll take you, this way you can actually search for videos. For example, let's say that you just wanted to, like I said, it's a mashup. So even though I have my YouTube address, I'm going to paste it in. That's one way. I could just paste my YouTube address in and it will locate the video typically. It's about 99% it'll do it for you. and see an error was returned by YouTube, no longer available. That's not true because we just used it. This is what I mean by I don't really like this feature. But if you know the name of the actual video, and it's called Locating the Interim 1-Week Term, let's try it that way and see if YouTube, locating the interim term. Let's see if it recognizes by hitting go. And again, if it doesn't, you know, this is what I was telling you, an error was returned. This is why I don't like this feature. So now what I'm going to do is just type in anything. Let's say that you're doing your history teacher and your students are studying World War II. You can search YouTube, hopefully, if it's working, for videos. And again, it's not working. So guess what? We're not going to use this feature. But essentially what would normally happen is that you'll search World War II and a series of videos will come up and you can just simply select them and they load right on your screen. And that's all you have to really do. But again, I'm actually glad it's not working because you can see that it can frustrate you very, very easily. So I would just recommend, because it looks like this one's down, I would recommend basically what I showed you earlier in terms of how to plug in videos, particularly when this feature is not working.